Hi friends, in today's video, let's learn about Kannada numbers. I hope many of you are not aware of Kannada numbers. So let's begin. So I'll be using both Kannada and English in this video for the conversation purpose. Okay, so Kannada numbers na ivattu kaliyona. Okay, what did I tell? Let's learn Kannada numbers. Okay, numbers are known as Sankhi in Hindi, right? In Kannada, we call it as Sankhe. Okay, Ka, Na, Da, Sang, Khe, Gad. So number is Sankhe and numbers Sankhe Gadu, plural form. Okay, so now I'll write both the number and also the name of the number. Okay, the words in Kannada and English both. The first one is 1, right? 1. How do you write 1 in Kannada? 1 is known as Ondu. So this is how you write Kannada number for 1. And this is 1, right? So 1 is nothing but Ondu. Okay? Ondu. Okay? Ondu. Next, 2. How will I write 2 in Kannada? So this is 2 in English, right? I mean, normal number is like this, and in Kannada, 2 is written as like this. Okay? So 2 is known as Eradu. 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 And what about 3? So 3 is written like this. Okay? So 3 na ಏನಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ? What do you call 3 in Kannada? Mooru. 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 Okay, so 3 ಆಯ್ತು. Next number is 4, right? So 4 is very simple. Just like this. Okay, Kannada la ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, last letter of Kannada la. So it resembles la. So what do you call 4 in Kannada? Nalku. Nalku. Okay na? Repeat. Nalku. Nalku is 4. And after that you have 5. Alva. So how do you write 5? It is similar to Hindi ba. Okay, or it's like this. Wait, let me use green color. So this is 5. Okay, so what do you call 5 in Kannada? 5 is known as I do. I do. You have to write I and do. Okay, I do. I do. And what about 6? So 6 is written like this. Let me use green color. So 6 is known as Aru. Okay, so 6 is known as Aru. 7. How do you write 7 in Kannada? 7 is written like this. Okay, so 7 is known as Elu. 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 Elu is 7. And the next one is N2. N2 is for what? 8, alva. So 8 is like this, and 8 is N2 in Kannada. Okay, N2. What about 9? 9 is, it is similar to 6. Okay, So just it's the reverse of 6. Okay, so see here, 6 is like this. Some of you might get confused, but you have to practice. So 9 is like this, reverse 3. 3 is in reverse form. For 6 we just need to extend the bottom line, and for 9 you have to extend the top line. Okay, so 9 ಗೆ ನಂತರ ಒಂಬತ್ತು, ಒಂಬತ್ತು, ಒಂಬತ್ತು. Let me write it in English. ಒಂಬತ್ತು, ಒಂಬತ್ತು. And the next one is 10. So 10 is very simple. First you need to write 1. Let me write it in green. 1 and write 0 next to it. So this will be 10. Okay. So 10 ge we call it as hattu. Okay. Hattu. Hattu. Okay. Let us repeat from the beginning. So 1, Ondu, 2, Eradu, 3, Mooru, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10. Let me repeat Kannada only at once. Ondu, Eradu, Mooru, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very simple. If you practice just for 4-5 times, you'll be able to do it. Okay. So then comes 11. Okay. So 11. So let me write it only in Kannada. Okay. 11. How do you write 11 in Kannada? So 1, 1. Okay. So 1, 1 is 11. So how do you write 11 in Kannada? Ha, non, do. Okay. Hannondu. Got it? Han, non, do. You just need to add han. Okay, see here. Han, and the next number is Ondu, right? It is basically 10 plus 1. So last number is 1. So we'll pronounce it as Ondu. Hannondu for 11. Next word is Hanneradu. 1, 2. Very simple to write. Hanneradu. Hanneradu. Write Han, and then Eradu. Eradu means 2, right? Han, Eradu. Hannondu means 11. Han, Eradu means 12. And for 13 is slightly different. So 1, 3 is 13, and 13 is pronounced as Hadi. So you have to tell Hadi, and then add 3 to this. 3 means Mooru. Okay. Hadi, Mooru. So till 18 you have to add Hadi at the beginning as the prefix. Hadi, Mooru. See, Mooru is nothing but 3, right? And Hadi we just need to add at the beginning. Hadi, Mooru is for 13. And come on, tell me for 14, what do you call 14 in Kannada? Hadi, Nalku. Very good. So Hadi is a prefix, and right, Nalku. Nalku is nothing but 4, right? Yes. So Hadi, Nalku. Okay. Yes. 15 ke nantare, what do you say? 15. This is 1 and this is 5, and 15 is nothing but Hadi, Naidu. Not Hadi, Aidu. It is Hadi, Naidu. Okay. You have to just add na at the beginning. Right? Hadi, and then Naidu. Okay. Hadi, it's not Hadi Naidu. It's Hadi Naidu. Okay. Hadi Naidu. So 16, it is Hadi Naru. Okay, not Hadi Aru. It is Hadi Naru. Hadi Naru. Okay. The next one is 17. 17 ಏನಂತಾರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? 17 is Hadi Nedu. Very good. Hadi Nedu. 17. Hadi Nedu. Okay, if you get expertise, like if you become expert with 1 to 20, you can write any numbers. Remember, okay, you just need to know from 1 to 20. So 1 to 20 ವರೆಗೂ ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ you can tell any numbers in Kannada. It's very easy to remember. You need to struggle to learn from 1 to 20. That's all. 1 8 is 18. So 18 ಗೆ ನಂತರ ಹದಿ ನೆಂಟು. Okay, ಹದಿ ನೆಂಟು. ಹದಿ ನೆಂಟು. And 19 ಗೆ we call it as ಹತ್ತೊಂಬತ್ತು. 19 1 9 ಹತ್ತೊಂಬತ್ತು. 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 Okay, ಹತ್ತೊಂಬತ್ತು, not ಹದಿಯೊಂಬತ್ತು, it's ಹತ್ತೊಂಬತ್ತು. And 20 is different. So 20 is pronounced as ippattu. Okay, ippattu is 20. Okay, 20 ಗೆ ನಂತರ ippattu. 20 done. And 21 22, it's very easy, simple. So 21 is nothing but 20 plus 1, right? Okay, so 21 is nothing but 20 plus 1, right? So what do you say for 20? 20 is known as ippattu, right? Ippattu plus what is 1? Ondu, right? Ondu. So ippattu ondu, just merge it, it becomes ippat ondu. That's all. Okay, so 20 plus 1 21. Ippattu plus ondu, it will become ippattondu. Okay, so then comes 22. So 22 ಗೆ ಏನಂತ ಬರ್ತೀವಿ? 20 plus 2, right? It's very simple. Come on, tell me. ಇಪ್ಪತ್ತು plus ಎರಡು ಅಲ್ವಾ? So what is ಇಪ್ಪತ್ತು plus ಎರಡು? ಇಪ್ಪತ್ತೆರಡು. Very good. Okay, let me ask in the middle. Okay, tell me what is for 29? 29 is nothing but 20 plus 9, right? So 20, what do you say for 20? 20 is said as ಇಪ್ಪತ್ತು, right? ಇಪ್ಪತ್ತು plus what is 9? ಒಂಬತ್ತು. ಒಂಬತ್ತು. So ಇಪ್ಪತ್ತು plus ಒಂಬತ್ತು, merge it, it will become ಇಪ್ಪತ್ತೊಂಬತ್ತು. That's all. You just need to remember tens now, like 20, 30, 40, 50. So it is similar to all the other numbers also. Okay, so this is ಇಪ್ಪತ್ತು, 20 plus 9. Then what comes? 30, right? So 30 is nothing but ಮೂವತ್ತು. Okay, 30 is known as ಮೂವತ್ತು. Okay, let me write it in English. It is ಮೂವತ್ತು. Okay, now tell me what is for 35? 35 is nothing but 30 plus 5, right? Yes, 30 is pronounced as ಮೂವತ್ತು, right? ಮೂವತ್ತು plus what is 5? ಐದು, right? So ಮೂವತ್ತು plus ಐದು, ಮೂವತ್ತೈದು. That's all. Alva, right? Okay, so now let me write the tens now. Okay, count of tens. So 10 ಗೆ ಹತ್ತು, 20, ಇಪ್ಪತ್ತು. Okay, let me write it in English also. ಹತ್ತು, ಇಪ್ಪತ್ತು. And what is for 21? ಇಪ್ಪತ್ತೊಂದು. Yes, very good. And then comes 30. Let me write 40 and 50. Okay, what is for 30? 30 is nothing but it is ಮೂವತ್ತು. 40 is ನಲವತ್ತು. 50 is ಐವತ್ತು. Okay, now yes, tell me. 10 is ಹತ್ತು, 20 is ಇಪ್ಪತ್ತು, and 30 is ಮೂವತ್ತು. ಮೂವತ್ತು. 40 is ನಲವತ್ತು. ಐವತ್ತು 50 ಐವತ್ತು. Okay, done till here. So what is for 55? How do you write 55? How do you pronounce 55 in Kannada? 50 plus 5. 50 is ಐವತ್ತು. What about 5? ಐದು. ಐವತ್ತು plus ಐದು, ಐವತ್ತೈದು. That's all. Okay, very simple. And then comes 60. You just need to know this. Okay, 10, 20, 30. If you know this, you can easily tell other numbers also. What is for 60? 60 is ಅರವತ್ತು. 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 So let me write it in English. ಅರವತ್ತು. What about for 70? 70 is ಎಪ್ಪತ್ತು. So most of the people get confused over here. Like ಇಪ್ಪತ್ತು and ಎಪ್ಪತ್ತು sounds similar, right? So 20 and 70. So 70 is ಎಪ್ಪತ್ತು. Okay? ಎಪ್ಪತ್ತು. And what about for 80? 80 is ಎಂಬತ್ತು. ಎಂಬತ್ತು. Okay? 80 is ಎಂಬತ್ತು. What about for 90? 90 is ತೊಂಬತ್ತು. 90 is ತೊಂಬತ್ತು. ತೊಂಬತ್ತು. What about for 100? 100 is very simple. So for 100 we call it as Nooru, and for like you can also call it as 100. Okay, so 100 means Ondu Nooru. Okay, I wrote it in pink color, I mean white color. Let me write it in pink. So Ondu means 1, Nooru means 100. Okay, Ondu Nooru. Okay, 100 is done. And now tell me, what about for 101? Very simple, you can apply the same method. 101. Okay, 101. So before this, let me recall this. So 10 means 10, ಇಪ್ಪತ್ತು is 20, ಮೂವತ್ತು is 30, ನಲವತ್ತು 40, ಐವತ್ತು is 50, ಅರವತ್ತು is 60, ಎಪ್ಪತ್ತು is 70, ಎಂಬತ್ತು is 80, ತೊಂಬತ್ತು means 90, 100 means ಒಂದು ನೂರು. Okay, so 100 is ಒಂದು ನೂರು. 100. ನೂರು is known as ನೂರು. I mean 100 is known as ನೂರು. ಒಂದು ನೂರು. Got it? ಒಂದು ನೂರು or just ನೂರು is fine. Okay, 101 you can apply the same method. It's nothing but 100 plus 1, right? So 100 is ಒಂದು ನೂರು. 1 is ಒಂದು, right? Let me write ಒಂದು ನೂರು plus Ondu. So let me write it in English also. Sorry. Ondu Nooru plus Ondu. What happens? Ondu Nooru plus Ondu? Ondu Noora Ondu. Okay. Ondu Noora Ondu. This Nooru becomes Noora. Okay. So writing like 101, 102, 103. So also instead of telling 101, we also pronounce it. We also tell it as 101, right? So you can also tell Noora Ondu instead of Ondu Noora Ondu. It becomes long, right? You can also use Noora Ondu to tell this. 101. What about 105? 105 can also tell it as Noora Eradu, right? Nooru plus Eradu. 100 plus Eradu means 2. 100 plus 2, 100 plus 5. Oh, I wrote 105, right? Sorry. Okay. 5 alva. Noora 5. 102 Noora 2. 103 Noora 3. 104 Noora 4. 105 is Noora 5, or you can also call it as ಒಂದು ನೂರ 5. Got it? ಒಂದು ನೂರ 5. And let me tell one more. 110. So 100 plus 10, right? So 100 is ನೂರ 10. Okay, ನೂರು plus 10 becomes ನೂರ 10. ಒಂದು ನೂರ 10 is also fine, and 110 is known as ನೂರ 10. Okay, so ನೂರ 10, ನೂರ 20 means 120. Okay, so ನೂರ 20 means 120 or 120 or 120. Okay, so ನೂರ 20 or ಒಂದು ನೂರ 20 is also fine. Okay, it is similar for all the terms, other numbers. So what about for 200? 200 is pronounced as Eradu Nooru. Eradu, right? 2 plus 100, right? Eradu plus Nooru, it becomes Eradu Nooru. Very simple to remember. Or we also call it as Innooru. Okay. If you can remember this Innooru, so most of the times we use Innooru. Or you can also use Eradu Nooru. Eradu Nooru, Ondu Nooru, Eradu Nooru, Mooru Nooru, Nalak Nooru. Also like that. Okay. So similar. So 201 is very simple. Eradu Nooru plus Ondu, Eradu Noora Ondu. Or Innoora Ondu. Okay. 300. Call it as, this is Innooru. Innooru or Eradu Nooru. Okay. So 300 is Mun Nooru. Okay. Mun Nooru or Mooru Nooru. If you are beginner, Mooru Nooru. Mooru Nooru. Or simple, Munnooru is used most of the times. Munnooru for 300. What about 310? 310. It is 300 plus 10, right? So 300, we call it as Munnooru. What about for 10? Hattu, right? Munnooru plus Hattu will become Munnoora Hattu. 310 is Munnoora Hattu. 320 is Munnoora Ippattu. It is similar for all the numbers. Okay, what about for 400? 400 is Nalku Nooru or Na Nooru. Let me write it in English. Nalku Nooru or Na Nooru. Okay, you can use anyone. Then comes 500. 500 is pronounced as Aidu Nooru. Okay, Aidu, right? Aidu plus 100, right? Aidu means 5. 100 is Nooru or I Nooru. Aidu Nooru is also fine. I Nooru is also okay to use. Okay, Aidu Nooru or I Nooru for 500. Okay, come on, tell me for 600. 600 is 6 again antare. What do you say for 6? Aru, right? Aru. And for 100, Nooru. Aru Nooru means Ar Nooru. Okay, Aru Nooru. Okay, Ar Nooru. Aru Nooru, Ar Nooru. Then comes 700. Edu Nooru. Okay, Edu Nooru. And what about for 800? 8 is N2, alva. N2 Nooru. In English, let me write N2 Nooru. And what about for 900? Ombattu Nooru alla. Ombattu Nooru is also fine. Ombattu Nooru is also fine. Or most of the times we use Ombai Nooru. Okay, Ombattu Nooru means 9 plus 100, 900. I mean 900 aitala. So Ombattu is 9 and Nooru means 100, 900. Okay, and Ombai Nooru is also 900. Ombai Nooru. And then comes 1000. You can also pronounce it as Ondu Savira. Ondu Savira or just Savira is also fine, like similar to 1000 or 1000, right? So if you pronounce it as 1000, Ondu Savira, or just 1000, Savira, both are fine. Okay, so 2000, Eradu Savira, 3000, Mooru Savira, Nalku Savira, Aidu Savira, goes on. And what about for 1 lakh? 1 lakh, it is ಒಂದು ಲಕ್ಷ. Okay, in Kannada, let me write Ondu Laksha. Okay, so lakh is known as Laksha. And what about crore? Ondu Koti. Okay, Koti. Ondu Koti. Done. Okay, so let us recap. Let us recap quickly. Okay, so 1 is Ondu, 2 is Eradu, 3 is Mooru, 4 is Nalaku, 5 is Aidu, 6 is Aru, 7 is Edu, 8 is Entu, 9 is Ombatu, 10 is Hattu, 11 is Hannondu, 12 is Hanneradu, 13 is Hadimuru, 14 is Hadinalku, 15 is Hadinaidu, 16 is Hadinaru, 17 is Hadinedu, 18 is Hadinentu, 19 is Hattombatu, 20 is Ippattu. And what about for 21? It is 20 plus 1, right? Ippattu plus 1, 21. Ippattu plus 2 means 20 plus 2. Ippattu plus 2, 23. It is similar till 29 now. Okay? So for all the numbers. And what about for 30? 30. And after that for 31 to 39 it's also same thing as we did. 30 plus 5 it is 30 plus 5, right? So 30 is 30 and 5 is 5. 35 means 35. Let us do count of tens. Hattu is 10, Ippattu is 20, 30 is 30, 40 is 40, and 50 is 50, and 60 is 60, 70 is 70, 80 is 80, 90 is 90, 100 is 100. And 101 similar. 100 plus 1 is 101, right? 100 is Ondu Nooru, and 1 is Ondu. Ondu Nooru plus Ondu, Ondu Nooru, Ondu, or Ondu Noora Ondu. Okay, or you can also pronounce it as Noora Ondu. Fine. And for 105 it is Ondu Noora Aidu, or Noora Aidu is also fine. 105 or 105, anything. 110 Noora Hattu, 120 is Noora Ipattu. It goes on like that. And 200 is known as Eradu Nooru or Innooru. 300 is Munnooru or Moornooru. 400 is Nalkunooru or Nanooru. 500 is Aidunooru or Ainooru. 600 is Arnooru. 700 Elunooru. 800 into, right? 8. 8 is into Nooru. Into Nooru. 9 is Ombattunooru or Ombainooru. 1000 is Ondu Savira or 1000 means Savira. And 1 lakh it's Ondu Laksha, and crore we call it as Koti, Ondu Koti. And for 2 crore it's Eradu Koti, 3 crore is Mooru Koti. It's like that. Okay, I hope you all liked the video, and if you like the video, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. ನಿಮಗೆ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಹಾಗೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಈ ಒಂದು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮುಗಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ, ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂತ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ತಿಳಿಸಿ. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಕಮೆಂಟ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.